In this video, we will see how to transfer Fsmo roles to another domain controller. If you do not have subscribed the channel, please do subscribe for more interesting videos. So let's see our server. I have a DC01 as a primary domain controller and a ADC as a additional domain controller. So let's go to the DC01. Let me open the Powershell. As in the previous video we have seen it in a graphic way that which computer holds which role. If you want to see a particular role, you can just type the command get ad forest. You can just type tab ad forest space pipe and then select, let's see, schema master, or you can just put the comma and type domain name master. So let's do only first this one. The spelling is wrong, I believe. Yeah, it should be like SCHEMA. That's why LECT select schema again schema master. Okay, now it shows us DC01 is holding our schema master role. And if you want to check like all the roles for which computer is holding all the roles, you can just check for all the Fsmo roles and it will show you that which computer is holding which role. You can do a net dom query Fsmo. See, it shows all the 5 roles like schema, domain naming master, PDC, read pool manager, infrastructure master. So right now all the roles are holding by DC01. Let's do one thing. Let's move to a ADC and we'll try to transfer one role and then we will see how it's work. Let me connect to the ADC. Okay, let me try to transfer one role by graphically, and you can do this by Active Directory domain and users. Sorry, this is GoGreen is a domain name. You have to click on a gogreen.com as a domain name and operation master. Let's see, the operation master is DC01 right now, and I'm saying let's change the operation master, that is a red master. This is a red role, like we are transferring this role, the red pool manager role, to ADC. So I'm on a ADC and let me change it. Are you sure you want to transfer the operation manager role? Yes, I am. The operation master role was successfully transferred. Okay, let me transfer one more role. Let me transfer the PDC emulator. Right now it is in a DC. Let's change. Okay, it is also changed. If we see it here again, you can see the red pool is on ADC now and PDC is also on ADC now, and the infrastructure master we didn't change, it's on DC01. And let me do once again, we confirm it, net dom space query Fsmo. See, now you can see like PDC emulator and RID has been transferred to ADC. and the other three roles are still on schema master, domain name, and the infrastructure master is still on a DC01. Let's go with the PowerShell command. This time let's see move AD. At this time you can type the tab button. Yeah, move active directory server operation master role, and you can just type the space and then select the identity of a computer on which you want to transfer the role, that is identity. And right now I'm transferring it to a ADC, that is my ADC is a computer name, and I want to transfer which role I want to transfer. That is, example, we can take schema master. Okay, this is the command, and you can just hit enter. Let's see what it says. Move operation master role. Do you want to move role schema master to server ADC? Go green. Yes, I want to move it. Now click on yes, and it will move the role to a ADC. I think it is moved now, so let me do once again net dom query Fsmo, and we move the schema master. Now you can see the schema master is moved to a ADC.go green. We can by this way we can move all the roles. Like if you want to move domain name master, let me type domain and domain naming master and hit enter. Yes, and now the domain naming master will be moved to a ADC. It is moved, and let's see again the net dom query Fsmo. Now all the roles, all the four roles are moved to the ADC, only the infrastructure master is not moved. So let me do one thing, do again, and we'll move the infrastructure master as well. Let me put the tab. Yes. Okay, now all the roles have been moved, all the 5 roles have been moved to a additional domain controller. If we see net dom query Fsmo, now you can see all the role will be on ADC computer. Earlier it was in a I show you a graphical way to do that, and also I just show you the how to do it with the PowerShell command. And if you want that if you want all the role to move at once, you can still do that. You can just do one thing, you can type this and want to do it on a ADC. Right now I will transfer it back to a DC01, so it's DC01, and we have move active directory server operation manager identity DC01 operation manager hyphen operation manager role, and you can just type 0 1 2 3 and 4. Let me see if I can extend it. Okay, 0 means a PDC emulator, and 1 means a RID pool manager, RID master, and 2 is infrastructure master, 3 is a schema master, and 4 is a domain naming master. Let me try to check if it moves all the role once. Click on yes. it's asking one by one. First it asked for a PDC emulator, then it asked for the RID master, and now it's asking for a infrastructure master. Say yes. Now it's asking for schema master. Yes. Now it's asking for domain naming master. Yes. Okay, now let's do once again net dom query. It's not double R, it's single Fsmo. Let's see if all the rules have, yeah, now all the rules are back to our DC01. And in the case like we are right now, we are on a ADC. In a case if the DC01 is crashed, completely crashed, then what you can do, you can just type this command like all the rules command up, and now here you can just put this and type force. Only the thing is here you have to type it here as a name is ADC. This command will work as a all the role will be seized on the ADC. That means after that we cannot bring our DC back. I'm not going to run this command, but it will eliminate the DC. That means you cannot put the DC back. So I'm not running this command, but if you want to do that, you can just do a force. You can subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.